everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So how's everybody doing? Oh my goodness, I'm doing great. Today is day 24. Yes, day 24. And let's see, I went 4 days and did not do fitness. Oh! No, it's okay. But I'm back at it again and I'm ready to roll. And as you guys see, it is so beautiful outside. Yes. The sun is shining and I'm so excited. Yes, I'm very excited. I'm excited, guys. Yes. Yeah. Okay, so what's been going on? Yes, I bought a really cute lamp. So if you guys get a chance, check out that video. It's a feather lamp. It is so beautiful and it brings so much, how can I say, inner peace. It's such a relaxing, cool, unique lamp. Definitely worth the amount that it costs. It's something you don't see every day, and yeah, your home is your castle, or your castle. Yeah, your home is your castle. I think that's what you would say. Yeah. However, so I got that beauty, and yeah, like I said, now I'm ready to get in there and do some fitness. So shows wise, I discovered a really cute, or actually I didn't discover, my daughter discovered a really cute show, and it's on Netflix. I'm a Netflix junkie, but not really. There's some good, there's some, I don't watch it all the time. Just actually when I'm working out. Let's see, what is the name of this show? It is so cute. Basically, let's see. Oh, let's see, what is the name of it? Let's see, Is That Cake? Yes, okay. In German, it has a different translation, so I'm hoping I translated right, because in German it's translated Is That Cake. So hopefully it's the English. It's also called the same thing in English, but basically you have to guess and see which one is a cake and which one isn't. It's so cute. Makes you want to get out there and bake a cake. But wow, you really see how talented people are, and how creative they are. It's absolutely amazing. I mean, how you can replicate like normal food and make it look like a cake. And I was just thinking, wow, that's absolutely amazing. Or they'll take whatever, like a purse, and make a real purse out of it. So the host is the one who tells you, okay, if it's the real cake or not. And he can explain it. He gets a knife and he tries to cut into the piece that might be a cake and the piece that's not a cake, if that makes any sense. Yeah. And so it's kind of funny. Like they had one showing where they had like all purses, and you had to guess which one is the cake and which one is the real purse. And oh my goodness, I mean, really, some of those pieces, they just look so real. And it's kind of funny because he'll try to cut into the real piece, or try, you could tell the cake, and it's just like, oh, if you were a cake fan like I am, I love cake. Oh my goodness. So many delicious cakes. But it's a really cute show. And then what else? Oh yeah, I'm watching this new series. It's not on Netflix, however. It's called The Courtship. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. And basically it takes it's a woman. She's Afro-American, and she is in England, and she has like these, well, it basically started off with 6 contestants, guys, and it takes place, or the setting is supposed to be like a Renaissance setting. I hope that's the correct setting, but oh, it's so pretty, and they're all dressed up like back then, and yeah, and her parents and her friends are there. And basically they get a chance to judge or also pick a date for her and see who's best fitting. And so right now I'm on the second episode. Really cute. It's so cute. If you get a chance, it's called The Courtship. And I watched this one commentator. Her name is Nylah, and she gives an excellent breakdown of the contestants and their personality. I think she did an excellent job. So I'm going to put her link up there. So if you want to get a breakdown of, you know, who the contestants are, and, you know, a little bit more into detail. She does a lot of recaps. So yeah, check her out if you get a chance. I'll put her link down there. Yeah, she gives a really good breakdown of the video, and yeah, it's so cute. Yeah, unfortunately it's not something from Netflix, but if you watch the new series on Netflix, okay, it's not so new anyway, but it's called Bridgerton. It has that same type of feel, you know, same type of setting. Really cute. I haven't watched it yet. I watched a bit of it. My daughter's totally into it, and she's like, oh, now the second season is going to start this Friday. So I'm definitely going to check out the first season. I didn't think I would like shows like that. I mean, I'm not really into the Renaissance time or anything beyond the 20s. But I guess I'm taking now more of an interest because I see more diversity. I see more people that look like me that's in these shows. And so that makes it a little bit more interesting, even though I know that it's a little bit unrealistic because we kind of know what happened during those times. But however, it's cute. It's make-believe, and I like it. So yeah, Bridgerton is the name of the series. So, and the name of this new dating show is called The Courtship. And like I said, it takes a whole different, it's a whole different way of dating. And yeah, the guys are all dressed up, and they're, you know, they have to really fight for the, you know, to win this woman over. And I just think it's so cute. Yeah. So anywho, let me get on into the gem. Yeah, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to hear more from me, subscribe. And yeah, let's get the show on the road. Don't go anywhere. See you in a bit.